Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we're making one of my husband's favorites. We're making a lemon yogurt loaf. So let me give you a little backstory on this, please. He loves pound cake. I don't want to make a pound cake. And the reason for that is because it has a ton of butter, a ton of sugar, and all white flour. So I like to make desserts that have a good balance. So I have been making this type of loaf for him instead. And I've been making this for years. It's a lemon yogurt loaf. It has quite a bit of protein because we're using quite a bit of Greek yogurt, we're using some almond flour, and we're using some organic all-purpose flour. We're using extra virgin olive oil, but I've also made this with a light olive oil and both are delicious. You guys can use any neutral oil that you love for this recipe. It comes together in one bowl in the oven, about 40 minutes or so. And typically when we're, looking at these kind of loaves, you see this really citrusy icing sugar kind of glaze. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to add all of that added sugar. So what I've decided to do is actually use a fruit preserve kind of glaze, something that I've learned over the years to add to pound cakes. It adds this really delicious stickiness. It adds more moisture, and it also gives it this different kind of citrusy note. I'm using an orange marmalade, but I've also used apricot jam for the recipe, and they're both delicious. So whatever you have on hand. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make this really delicious lemon yogurt loaf. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we want to grease and line an 8x4 baking pan. Next thing, we're going to toast our almond flour. This is optional. This is half a cup of almond flour that I'm going to spread on a baking sheet, and we're going to bake this at 350 for about 6 or 7 minutes until it's lightly golden, and we're going to set that aside to cool. We're going to grab a large bowl, and we are going to add 2 eggs, room temperature, 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. This is lactose-free Greek yogurt. You guys can use whatever you like. This is half a cup of raw cane sugar. You can use any granulated sweetener. I'm adding half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, or use whatever neutral oil that you love. This is the zest of 1 lemon. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. This is Sassy vanilla. And we're going to whisk all of our wet ingredients until everything is nicely incorporated. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this very well into the wet ingredients. And our dry ingredients. I'm adding 1 cup of organic all-purpose flour and our half a cup of toasted almond flour. And using a spoon or spatula, we're going to mix our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until it is just combined. Don't overmix. Just stop mixing once you don't see any more flour. And that is it. We're gonna take our batter and add it to our baking pan. And we're just going to smooth out the top. You could add some sliced almonds on top if you like. We're going to bake 350 between 35 and 45 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And the house smells so good. Let's make our glaze. In a small sauce pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of orange marmalade. Again, you can also use apricot jam, both work beautifully. And 1 tablespoon or so of water. Now, you could also use an orange liqueur if you like, or orange juice. We are going to mix this. This is low to medium heat. We're going to get this up to a simmer, and we're just going to let this cook out for about a minute or so. I like to add it to a cooled loaf. I'm going to grab my silicone brush. You can also use a pastry brush. And we are going to add this mixture all over the loaf. I love to serve this cake with freshly whipped cream and whatever berries are in season. It's a really nice way to elevate this dessert. Enjoy our lemon yogurt loaf. It is so delicious, it is moist, it is citrusy, it is perfect with coffee or tea. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this lemon yogurt loaf, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.